afternoon one and all. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Now we are going to see prime factorization. Actually we have to see the LCM and SCF of the numbers by using prime factorization. So before going to start that, we are going to see prime factorization. What is a prime factorization? So before going to prime factorization, we must know the basics, that is prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 1 and that number only are called prime numbers. Means if the numbers, if I take 2 is a number which is divisible by itself and 1 only. Okay. The 3, this number is also divisible by 1 and 3 itself. Now if I consider 19 it doesn't have any other factors than 1 and 19. Okay. So 19 is divisible by 1 and 19 itself only, and so this is a prime number. So I make here the list of prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. You can find different prime numbers. Okay. Now one thing you have to remember, that 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not considered to be a prime number, and 2 is the only even prime number. It is a prime number and which is even number. No other even number other than 2 is a prime number. So these two things you have to remember. Now we will go to prime factorization. What is a prime factorization? Prime factorization means all the factors of a given number. Suppose the number is given and all its factors are prime numbers. Then the process of finding the prime numbers, prime factors, is called prime factorization. Okay, I had done 2 problems here for you. Now for example 24. 24 is a number. Okay, now we will start from 2. 2 is the least prime number. Okay, so we will start from 2. Whether it is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 2. So 2 into 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Okay. Now I write 2 here in below this 2, multiplication below the multiplication. Then I will find the factor of 12 again. So is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. So 2 into 6 is 12. So I write here, instead of 12 I write 2 into 6. Now 2 as written, 2 again 2 multiplied by 2 is written here. Now instead of 6 we have to find its prime factors. So is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. So 2 into 3. So now 3 is there, the last factor of this process, that is 3. Now 3 is a prime number, so we have to stop this process, and all these factors are prime factors. All these 2, 2, 2, 3, all these factors of 24 are prime factors, and so we say this is a prime factorization of 24. Okay, now I had taken another example also, 75. Okay, 75, is it divisible by 2? It doesn't end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so it is not divisible by 2. So I will think about 3. Whether it is divisible by 3. So what is the divisibility test of 3? That is, if we add these 2 digits. Okay, 2 digits are there, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, so 12 is divisible by 3. So this total, the complete number, is divisible by 3, and so I take here 3. 3 into 25 is 75. Okay, so 3 into, now I will consider this 25. Now is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? 2 plus 5, 7. It is not divisible by 3. So I will, is it divisible by 5 then? It is divisible by 5. So 5 into 5, that is 25. Okay. Now 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. Means all these 3 factors are prime numbers, and so prime factorization of 75 is 3 into 5 into 5. Okay.